We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2017 Yamaha FZ-09. And this bike is in white. We have dual disc braking on the front. ABS is on the front and rear. We have a Pug windscreen. Kicks the wind up over your helmet instead of having it go directly into your face and chest. We have frame sliders on this bike, and there are also axle sliders that double as a way to pick your motorcycle up onto a stand. Makes cleaning and lubing the chain really easy because this bike is chain driven. Also comes with a ram mount, and it has a belt buckle guard on the tank. These bikes have traction control, different ride modes. I like to put it in B when I'm in the rain. You can also turn everything off, which is really awesome as well. The cutoff switch and the start button are integrated. It's an inline 3. Extremely fast, extremely torquey, and tons of fun. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles. We're located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.